going on, guys? Brent Bloom fishing here. Gonna go hit this local creek real quick, throwing around a Nico rig, bellows gill, and or you could say the Nico hack bellows gill, and just a regular Nico rigged 3-inch worm. So let's see what we can do. I'm gonna be casting this around up, in the structure. We got about an inch of rain, so hopefully the flows are up a little bit, but this creek is pretty shallow, so I'm sure any rain is a blessing to these fish. All right, y'all, we're at this little residential creek. We got cars passing. Let's see if there's anybody home. Got him. Dude, big. Holy shit. First fish is a giant, y'all. Come on, stay with me. Man, it's a big one. Holy. Dude, these river fish fight so different. I got 6-pound test on. Gotta be careful. Holy shit, man, this is a magnum. How big is it? It's big. Holy crap, it's a 4-pounder, dude. Wow. Wow. Oh my God, it's bigger than 4 pounds. Holy smokes.